right now it's like a Disneyland. If we don't find a solution, it could be a Machu Picchu, a city with the beautiful marbles, but without a real life, without citizens.
A lot of properties here are being rented out to tourists. I'm nearly 50 and I'm having to share a flat. A lot of local shops, like your butchers, your bakers, your dressmakers, all the local services have been transformed one by one into souvenir shops, tourist restaurants, fast food places. Nothing seems to be catered for us anymore.
Not only because they bring to the city more than 1.5 million of tourists every year, but you can immediately perceive the fact that they are totally out of scale. So they have become a symbol for the struggle to save Venice.
I don't think anyone in this square is probably from Venice.
It's kind of a double-edged sword because they probably want the money that we bring in, having tourists here, but it's also super crowded and it's probably annoying to have so many people come in every day.
One of the craziest things I've come across here is when people ask me what time Venice closes. That makes you realize that the perception of this town from an outsider is that it is a living museum and that we're just extras.